Yeah, good day. My name is Umar Christian Unzube. So I'm a computer programming student of Conestoga, and today I'll be displaying a movie search app that searches a movie through an API called OMDB. So I built this using Java, and so I'll just give a run through of an overview of how it works. So when I click here, as a user, when I click here, I click maybe name, search for a movie called name. I click on search, so it sends a request through through the API, through the OMDB API, and it returns datas, the possible datas, any movie that has name on it, sends a report, a response. So when I click on the response on anyone, so this gives me a more detail about the movie. So this is the name, the year it was published, the rating, the studio if it exists, otherwise it's null, that's why it's AN/A, and a little bit description about the movie. And also there is a navigation icon here where I can just go back to my original screen. So let's assume I put in a name of a movie that does not exist, maybe something like this, something gibberish here. I click on search. So it says movie not found, meaning it does not exist in the OMDB API database. So let me just, and also I also have a scrollable list here. So I could decide to click on this and it gives me the same details of this particular movie I selected. Also, it was built with I also used these images were displayed using a dependency called Picasso. Picasso, that's what I used to display these movies and these images. And also I will just give a run through of how how the code works. So here on the main Java file, I have the main activity, the movie details activity, the movie adapter, and the movie. So this one gives for the main screen here, which we see here, the search, and sends the request through OKHTTP to OMDBI, sends the request and pulls out a response. This is the movie. This is like a construct. This is a constructor. Tells us the particular kind of detail we want to fetch, which we want to fetch the title, the year, the image, and the type, and the poster too. So this is the constructor, and the adapter connects. The adapter connects the data to the recycle view. That is what the adapter basically does. Then this is the movie detail page, which when I click on this, it shows the details of the movie. Also, these are the what do you call it? The layout page. This gives like a skeleton of the main activity, which is this. And the second one, activity movie details, gives a skeleton of when you select a particular movie. Also, this is like the recycler. It temporarily holds the data for some time before it it returns. It holds the data temporarily. And also, I also have here the I also have let me sorry drawables, right? Okay, so also if if a movie does not have an image, it shows this no image. I don't know if you could search for any movie that does not have an image to it. I think that would be difficult, but let me see what's up. water, let's see. Oh, I think every movie has an image, but if there is no image to it, it uses this as a default background image for each of these images here. So that's just basically how it works. And thank you guys for your time, and I appreciate you. If you want the code of this, you could just reach out to me. I will be happy to send it to you. Thank you for your time.